Yep, just got one more upgrade. Just got to throw in the reverse lights. I'm gonna give y'all a quick shot of that. Right here. Alright, so get this tail light, you need to remove this clip first. I think you gotta pull it. Like, pull it out and up, and do one at a time, or it'll tailgate will fall down. So yeah, do that, and then you have to remove these tabs. You can either get like a pull tab, or I'm just gonna use my flathead to get this out. Just, I would hold it so it don't fly out when you pull this out. There we go. Two. Uh-oh. And it'll be 2 screws right here. You remove that and this should come off. And once you get that off, you take this middle one out, turn it counterclockwise, and that's the bulb. And this is what I'm putting in there for right now, because I'm gonna eventually change out the tail lights. Don't like it. We're gonna turn it counterclockwise. Let's get that back up. Get that back in. You're gonna line it up on these 2 holes. There's one on the, another one on the bottom.